This video will show you how to install projector headlights on a 2005 to 2010 Chrysler 300C. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Now let's begin. Towards the bottom of the bumper, you will remove 10 7mm bolts indicated by red arrows here. Remove 3 plastic clips located at the front edge of the fender liner. Now, pull the fender liner aside. Remove the 2 10mm bolts you see here. Disconnect the connector located behind the fender liner, then the bumper light socket and the fog light. Remove 4 plastic clips located at the top of the front bumper. Pull forward on the sides of the front bumper, then remove the front bumper and set it aside. At the bottom of the headlight, we'll remove an 8mm bolt. Remove 2 more 8mm bolts located at the top of the headlight. Now we can remove the factory headlights and disconnect the headlight harness. Connect the headlight harness to the new projector headlights, then place it in the stock location. Replace all hardware in reverse order of removal. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.